If you're a freelancer, you know that time is money. Whether you're creating presentations for clients, proposals, or social media content, you need tools that help you work smarter, not harder. That's where Gamma AI comes in. Gamma AI is an AI-powered platform that helps freelancers create professional, visually appealing presentations quickly and efficiently without needing advanced design skills. One of the biggest benefits of Gamma AI for freelancers is saving time. Instead of spending hours designing slides, choosing fonts, or arranging images, you can focus on your content and your client's message. Simply input your ideas, and Gamma AI automatically generates polished slides with layouts, visuals, and structured content that looks professional and ready to present. Another advantage is ease of use. Gamma AI is beginner-friendly, making it perfect for freelancers who may not have a background in design. Even if it's your first time creating a presentation, the platform guides you step by step, providing smart suggestions for layouts, fonts, and visuals to make your slides look polished and engaging. Customization and branding are also important for freelancers. With Gamma AI, you can tweak colors, fonts, images, and layouts to match your personal brand or your client's brand. This ensures every presentation you create looks professional, unique, and aligned with the specific needs of your client. Gamma AI also offers smart content organization, which is a huge help for freelancers. The AI structures your slides logically, highlights key points, and ensures your message is easy to follow. Whether you're pitching a project, creating a training deck, or presenting a proposal, your audience will easily understand your ideas and stay engaged throughout the presentation. Imagine working on a last-minute client pitch. With Gamma AI, you can quickly turn your notes into a professional, polished deck that impresses your client, saves you time, and boosts your credibility. It's a tool that allows freelancers to work faster, deliver higher quality presentations, and stand out in a competitive market. So if you're a freelancer looking to save time, impress clients, and create professional presentations effortlessly, Gamma AI is a tool you need. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest content. Start using Gamma AI today and see how it can transform the way you work and present your ideas.